What's up everyone? So unfortunately this is the travel vlog series that will never be made because on our last day here I lost my GoPro camera and I'm so upset about that. But luckily I had some footage on my phone and on my other camera, so this will be the top must-see places in the Pacific Northwest state of Oregon. Our journey begins at the breathtaking Multnomah Falls, plummeting 620 feet, making it the tallest waterfall in the state. With only a 30-minute drive away from Portland and located right off the famous Columbia River Scenic Highway, this is Oregon's #1 place to visit. Its misty spray creates a mesmerizing spectacle, drawing visitors from around the world. With a paved trail that you can walk on surrounded by beautiful trees that leads you to reach the picturesque Benson Bridge, which offers a perfect up-close look at the falls where you can feel the power of nature enveloping you. And you can also get a good vantage point to see the surrounding areas of the Columbia River Gorge. If you come to Oregon and only get to do one thing, this is the place to visit and see. Next, we venture into the heart of Portland where literary dreams come alive at Powell's City of Bookstore. Spanning an entire city block, this iconic bookstore boasts over 1 million new and used titles, making it the biggest independent bookstore in the country. Wander through the aisles, lose yourself in stories, and perhaps discover your next great read among the stacks. Just a short drive away in the city of Portland, we find Cathedral Park, a hidden gem nestled beneath the magnificent St. John's Bridge. With its soaring Gothic-style towers, this park is a serene escape. And if you so happen to be visiting during the fall season like we were, this is a great place to stroll along the paths lined with the colorful trees. Now, many people tend to stay more towards the northwest side of Oregon, close to the capital, but towards the southeast side, you'll find a peaceful escape into the forests and canyons of Oregon, which will in turn lead you to my personal favorite, the charming city of Bend. Explore the historic downtown area with plenty of cafes and mom and pop shops, and then head over to the Old Mill District, where historic mill buildings have been turned into a vibrant outdoor retail mall with shops, restaurants, and a stunning riverside trail. Bend is the gateway to countless hiking and biking trails and the crystal clear Deschutes River. Here the mountains meet the skies, creating a playground for nature lovers. This easily became my favorite city in Oregon, even more so than Portland. And if you're visiting the city of Bend, you might as well take the short 30-minute drive to see the dramatic cliffs of Smith Rock State Park. With its mountains rising majestically against the horizon, this rock climbing paradise features some of the best climbing routes in the country, with its unique rock formations, including the famous Monkey Head.
A replica of Monkey Face. You can see it here.
This park is also a haven for hikers and photographers, where you can witness the golden rays of sunset cast a warm glow over the rugged terrain. Smith Rock State Park is an unforgettable sight that you must come to. Next, we journey to the unforgettable Crater Lake National Park, a true jewel of the Pacific Northwest. Formed by a collapsed volcano, this stunning place with its blue, dark waters is the deepest lake in the United States. It's one giant loop you can drive around, making you want to stop at every corner to enjoy the spectacular views. As you stand on the rim, the breathtaking views will leave you speechless. I had so much amazing footage to this place, so it kills me that I lost all of it. But nevertheless, I'm glad I was able to check off another national park off my list, and this was truly a memorable and a must-visit destination when coming to Oregon. Now, no adventure to Oregon can be completed without visiting and seeing the famous Mount Hood, where most of the fall and winter season you can experience snowfall the higher you go up to the mountain. This went from a fall vacation to a winter vacation. But as this Puerto Rican, Florida man never gets to experience this, I am beyond excited to be here right now. Who wanted vacation in Oregon, huh? Who wanted vacation in Oregon? So we're at the National Historic Timberline Lodge that sits on the base of Mount Hood. This historic lodge, built during the Great Depression, is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, and you don't have to stay in the hotel in order to visit. It's free to visit, just to hang out in the lobbies and to go to the very impressive second floor banquet style hall. Being local Floridians, we barely get a true winter, let alone get to witness snowfall. So we of course had to take advantage and explore the grounds outside, which really became a winter wonderland for us. Whether you're skiing down powdery slopes in the winter or hiking through the wildflower meadows in the summer, the stunning vistas of Mount Hood provide a perfect backdrop for unforgettable memories. Unfortunately, we had limited time, so we couldn't get to explore everything we wanted to. But some other worthy locations that I'm eager to come back to see would be Silver Falls State Park with its amazing waterfalls, the amazing coastal beaches including Cannon Beach and its famous Haystack Rock. And if you're able to get to the most southern point of Oregon, you have to visit Samuel H. Borman Park with Oregon's natural rock bridges and islands, which are a sight to see, and I'm eager to go back one day to experience this for myself. Overall, Oregon is a tapestry of natural wonders and vibrant culture. Each destination more captivating than the last, from cascading waterfalls to towering peaks, and from bustling bookstores to serene parks. The beauty of Oregon invites you to explore, discover, and connect with nature.